This is a training video on using the OHD fit testing adapters with the Scott AV2000 or AV3000 series respirator. There are two ways you can connect our fit testing adapters to this respirator. The first way is to utilize the Scott 200-423-01 part, which will quarter turn onto the front of the respirator, and then to utilize the OHD Kit 1, the number 1 adapter with the 40mm threaded connection that will simply thread into the front of the mask. The other way to connect to the Scott AV2000, AV3000 is to use the OHD Kit 50. The OHD Kit 50 will go directly to the respirator with no need of the Scott part and will quarter turn onto the front of the mask.